everybody, welcome to lesson 15, half notes and now half rests. And remember in lesson 14 we talked about a half note and how many beats a half note receives. A half note receives 2, right? 2 beats. And if a half note receives 2 beats, then a half rest is going to receive 2 beats also. So this is a half rest. And notice we always put the rests in parentheses, just like we did in previous lessons with the whole rest. So in all of these half rests on this lesson, I have them in parentheses. So this is a half note, and this is a half rest. This is a half note. This is a half rest. This is a half note. This is a half rest, and on down the line. So remember from our previous lesson, we talked about this number on the top part of the fraction here. So this number tells us that we have 4 counts in a measure. Okay, this is a measure. 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 Okay, so on this lesson, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 measures. We have 6 measures per line. Okay, so each measure is going to receive 4 counts. And so a half note gets 2 of those 4 counts. So that's why we have 1, 2 for this half note, and then 3, 4 for this half rest, because we have to have 4 counts. Okay, so 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, so that is what the 4 over 4 means. We have 4 counts per measure. So this line, I'm going to go ahead and clap and count this line for you so that you can see exactly how this works. So again, with the half rest, each half rest, I'm going to do my hands open, okay, just like before. So I'm going to clap and count this measure right here. Okay, so the first one is a half note, so it's going to get 1, 2, and then the next part is a half rest. Since it's a rest, I'm going to show my hands open. Okay, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next measure is the same. This measure will go 1, 2, and then for this half rest, 3, 4. This measure the same for this half note. It's going to go 1, 2, and for this half rest in parentheses, 3, 4. And this half note right here is going to get 1, 2, and this half rest 3, 4, like this. This half note 1, 2, this half rest 3, 4. This half note 1, 2, this half rest 3, 4. So the entire line, I'm going to clap and count and tap my toe on the entire line now. Ready? Starting here, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Now I'm going to do step number 2, which is point to the note, say the note name, and then tap my foot. Okay, here we go. So I'm pointing at the note, and you can do this with me, of course, if you have your lesson 15 printed off, or you can touch your computer screen, either one. Ready? 1, 2, point and call it, and names. C, rest, rest. 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 C, rest, rest, and off. Now, step number 4, actually, step number 3, sorry. We're on step number 3. We're going to finger the note, and then we're going to say the note name, and we're going to tap our foot on the beat, okay? So finger the C on your saxophone. Right here is C. You should remember how to finger C on your saxophone from the previous lessons. Okay, so go ahead and put down your second finger on your left hand. All right, so we're going to finger the C on our saxophone and we're going to name it out loud. Ready? And 1, 2, ready, and go. C, rest, rest. 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 C, rest, rest, and off. Now we're going to play it. Okay, so we're step number 4 now. We're going to play it. If you want to follow along, I'll play it, and then you can play it with me on the next time. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, ready? And if you need to play it again, then just pause the video and rewind it and play it again with me. Here we are on the second line. This is measure 7. On the second line right here, we're going to clap it and we're going to count these numbers and we're going to tap our foot on the beat. Ready? And clap and set and ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Now we're going to point at the note, which is step 2. We're going to say the note name, and we're going to tap our foot on the beat. This first note is a C, and I've written these letters above these note names for you for review, okay, just to help you remember. And I don't want you to get in the habit of writing these note names for any of the other notes on this page or any of the other lessons, okay? I would rather you not write like this right here. I don't want you doing this, writing in the notes with a pencil or a pen. Okay, you should remember these notes, and you should do point at the note and name the note, and finger the note on the saxophone and name the note so many times that you remember these. Okay, don't skip those steps. So here we go. We're going to point at the note and we're going to name it. 1, 2, ready, go. C, rest, rest. B, rest, rest. A, rest, rest. G, rest, rest. F, rest, rest. E, rest, rest, off. And you may want to pause the video and rewind it and do that part again with me. So here we are, right here on the second line, measure 7. I'm going to show you these notes on the saxophone. I'm going to finger and name them. Remember that step that I keep talking to you about? That's very, very important. Okay, so the first note is C here. The second finger right there, right? And then this measure, we have this note here is B, first finger. And then this measure here, we have A, which is first and second fingers. And then we have this note here, which is a G. 1, 2, 3, remember G. And then This note here is an F, and this note here is an E. So remember, we use our right hand for F and E, right? So we use all of our left hand, 1, 2, 3, and our first finger on our right hand for F, and then our first and second finger on our right hand for E. Okay, so finger those notes with me. Ready? C, B, A, G, F, E. Okay, now we're going to finger and name those notes while looking at the music that I just showed you. Ready? So here we go. We're going to tap our toe on the beat. 1, 2, finger and name those notes. And C, rest, rest. B, rest, rest. A, rest, rest. G, rest, rest. F, rest, rest. And E, rest, rest, and off. And remember, pause the video and do this 2 or 3 times until you can do it perfectly. Okay, now I'm going to play this exercise. Ready? Measure 7, line 2. 1, 2, ready? Okay, now, and I want you to do that several times again. Pause the video and play that several times. Okay, now I want you to play this with me. Okay, here we go. We're going to play this together now. Remember to tap your foot on the beat. And 1, 2, ready? Remember your posture when you're playing these exercises. Okay, you should be sitting up with your back straight and your feet should be flat on the floor. Okay, and then your saxophone should pivot just like this on your neck strap. And it should rest right on your bottom lip here. Now notice how my head is crooked. So my mouthpiece, I need to turn my mouthpiece so that my head is straight up and down. And notice how my right leg is over this way a little bit, right pretty much under my chin, so my saxophone has room right here. Okay, so this is it. This is exactly how you should be playing. Okay, here we go. This is measure 7, the second line. And I'm going to demonstrate it from a full body view here. Ready? And 1, 2, ready? So here we are on the third line, measure 13. So we're going to do step 1, which is clap, say the number, and tap our foot on the beat. Ready? And 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, watch this one more time. So we're going to clap the first one. 1, 2, and then the next half note. 3, 4, and then the next half note. 1, 2, and then the half rest. 3, 4. So one more time here at 13. I'm going to clap this half note. So it's going to go 1, 2, and then the next half note goes 3, 4, and then this one goes 1, 2, and then this half rest goes 3, 4. And this half note goes 1, 2. This one goes 3, 4. This one goes 1, 2. This half rest goes 3, 4. And this half note goes 1, 2. This half note goes 3, 4. And this half note goes 1, 2. And this half rest goes 3, 4. So I'm going to do the whole line without stopping this time, okay? So from here, you may just want to watch me do this. And 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next step, of course, is we're going to point at the notes and we're going to name the notes, okay, which is step 2. Ready? And do this on your own with me, with your own music if you can. Ready? 1, 2, point and name. C, B, C, rest, rest. B, A, B, rest, rest. A, G, A, rest, rest, off. Now, if you had trouble naming these notes, you may want to go through and just think about each one individually. The line above this one that I wrote the note names in, if you need to use that as a kind of a crutch to refer back up to the second line where I've written the notes in. But try not to write the notes in with your pencil or your pen yourself, okay? So we're going to do this one more time. We're going to point at the note and we're going to name the notes. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and go. C, B, C, rest, rest. B, A, B, rest, rest. A, G, A, rest, rest, and off. Now here we are at 13. Okay, so we're going to look at these notes and finger and name on our saxophone. So our first note is C, our next note is B, then our next note is C, right? So that on the saxophone would look like this. C, B, C. And then there's remember, a half rest. Okay, then the next sequence of notes is B, A, B. Okay, and on the saxophone, that would look like this. B, A, B. Half rest. Okay, and then the next sequence of notes is A, G, A. So it would look like this. That's A, right? A, G, A. So now I'm going to do finger name the note all the way across this line 3, okay? So if you can do that with me, then go ahead and do this with me. Ready? So we're starting on a C in measure 13. Ready? 1, 2, finger and name the note. C, B, C, rest, rest. B, A, B, rest, rest. A, G, A, rest, rest, and off. Remember that you can pause the video and go back and finger and name these again with me. Rewind the video. It's really important. Look under the important 4 points I have written. I hope you notice these as you're looking at your worksheet. Okay, there's 4 important points there. And number 3 says if you are doing steps 2 and 3, you should start to know the note names by now. So now I'm going to play line 3 here at measure 13. And if you want to play along with me, go ahead and play along with me. If you just want to move your fingers with as I play, then that's fine too. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, and ready. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the third line, measure 13, from the full body shot here. So you can see exactly how I'm playing, okay? I'm pivoting the neck strap. The reed rests right on my bottom lip here. Okay, measure 13, 1, 2, ready? Okay, now it's your turn to play it. Ready? Here we are at 13. And tap your foot on the beat. 1, 2, ready, you play. And remember these important points right here. Okay, it says I have put the note names above the notes on the second line to help you remember. We talked about that already. And number 2, please do not write the note names for any of the other notes. And number 3, if you are doing steps 2 and 3, right? Steps 2 and 3 right here. Step 2, point and say the note name. Step 2, point and say the note name. Step 3, finger the note on your saxophone and say the note name. If you're doing steps 2 and 3, you should start to know the note names by now. Number 4, if you are skipping steps 2 and 3 and not doing these 2 steps, then you're not going to learn how to read the notes as quickly and you're going to struggle to read the notes. And it's really important that you learn to read music. All right, so here we are on measure 19. We're going to go ahead and do step 1, clap, and count and tap our toe in the rhythm. Ready? 19. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Now, remember step 2, one of the really important steps. Point to the note, and we're going to name the note. Okay, here we go. And do this with me. Point at your music. 1, 2, name the notes. And G, F, G, rest, rest, F, E, F, rest, rest, G, F, E, rest, rest, off. So here we are on line 4, measure 19. So we're going to do the fingering and naming, right, which is step number 3. So that's one of the really important steps that I don't want you to skip. So step number 3, finger and name here on this line. So our first sequence of notes is G, F, G, right? So we know how to do that. So that's G, 1, 2, 3, G, F, G. Okay, and then our next sequence of notes is F, E, F, So we have 1, 2, 3 down. Plus 1 is F. Okay, then we have E, F. And then our last sequence of notes is G, F, E. Okay, so that is G, 1, 2, 3, F, E. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and play that line. I'm going to go play line 4 for you now. Ready? Here's line 4. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to demonstrate the last line, measure 19, the fourth line. And remember, your upper body should be relaxed when you're playing. Your shoulders should never raise up. Your upper body should be relaxed. Okay, all the weight of the saxophone's on your neck strap. You should breathe from the bottom near your belt. Okay, feet are flat on the floor. My knees are bent at about a right angle. Okay, so here we go. Last line, measure 19. Line number 4. 1, 2, ready? And as always, you may want to watch this 2 or 3 times. Now it's your turn to play it. Ready? Here we are at 19. Get your G fingers down. Your turn to play it with me and tap your toe on the beat. 1, 2, ready.